Oh,
Moeder.
thank you. Is this what you made at school?
Yeah.
What is that?
Nathan said you need to keep it straight up.
Oh, I need to keep it straight up. Can you help me opening it?
Yeah. Yeah. I said this needs to go straight up.
And then you paint that, Bebe Lab? You painted that?
Yeah, for the keeping.
Oh.
For the look. That's it for the alpaca.
Oh. Wow! I love it.
Yeah, it's not going now.
Thank you. And what does it says here?
Yeah.
Lieve mama, geel, rood, groen. Je krijgt een mooie bloem. Rood, geel, blauw. Omdat ik van je hou. Groen, blauw, geel, zo heel veel. Rood, geel, groen. En een dikke zoen. Oh, thank you for your gift, baby. I love it. Thank you. Can I have a kiss then? Mwah.
Die is mooi. Nou, dan moeten we er wat water in doen, hè?
I love it. Thank you. Water?
Ja, de seeds in there.
Ay, there's seeds.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a real flower in there. Thank you po.
I also have a small thing for you.
And what is that then? Oh, a chocolate.
Belgian made Dubai chocolate.
Oh, thank you. Ay, Dubai chocolate. You bought it there?
From Belgium.
When I was not there?
From the chocolate shop.
Thank you.
Yes. And
No flowers because Mama doesn't want a bouquet. But I love what you gave me because I will plant it myself. We will plant it together.
it's-
I love you. And thank you for the chocolate, Papa.
yeah. Yes, please.
You can try this too later.
Yeah. Can eat that half.
Half?
Yeah.
Pag
You know,
sure.
it's tradition in the Netherlands that when it's Mother's Day, we bring you breakfast in bed with like nice croissant and stuff like that. But you just want to eat rice, so no breakfast in bed for you.
I love you so much.
And I love you so much. Thank you for being my son.
Thank you, Mama, for being my mama.
Oh, thank you. You give me butterflies again in my belly. Thank you so much. And I love you so much.
Okay. I hope you now.
And brush your teeth.
Okay.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone! Sa lahat po ng nanay dyan, laban lang. Tingnan nyo naman ang Mother's Day breakfast natin. Binili ko to sa market, guys. Bumili ako ng 2 smoked salmon. Kasi si Daniel, masarap ito sa tinapay. Gusto niya din sa tinapay. Ako naman, syempre mag-rice tayo. Gusto niya nga daw sana ako gawa ng breakfast in bed. Na kay rice man ang gusto ko, guys. Buti sana kung tinapay-tinapay lang. Look at that. Super yummy po nito. At ito din. Breakfast din natin. Natirang upo na ginisa ko po sa giniling. Yes po, late po ang vlog natin ng 3 days. Patawad naman, guys. Kaya pahinga-pahinga din kunti, no? Minsan, pag may time, binabalatan yan siya, guys. Si Daniel dapat gagawa nito. Himayin niya dapat to. Kaya magkain naman ako. Mamaya niya na lang trabahuin ito, guys, no? Kaya magkuha na ako ng pang-breakfast ko. Kain, everyone! Sa lahat po ng magsabi na bakit hindi ka lang manabigyan ng bulaklak ng mister mo. Ayaw ko po. Ako mismo ang nagsabi sa kanya, guys. Ayaw ko ng bulaklak. Kaya kung napanood niyo yung vlog ko kahapon, no, yung about kay Lucas ba? Maalala ko na marami na magbigay sa amin ng bulaklak. Si Lucas po ang malungkot ako. Ano ko ba, maiyak ako. Kaya maalala ko yung anak ko, yung mga pinagdaanan ko. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, huwag na po bulaklak. Yes. Ay, ang sausawan ko. Masaya na ako sa handa ko, guys. Look at that. Tapos magawa tayo ng mango float. Dabi, kung masarap ba? Wow. Sarap ng smoked salmon. Ay, salmon. Smoked mackerel. Nagano kasi nag-crave ako nito. Nung nasa Belgium kami ba, sabi ko bigla ko lang sa naisip. Kaya, napapunta po ako ng market, nung nag-Friday market, hindi ako nag-vlog nun. Ilagay ko po itong isang isda sa freezer. Itong isa lang ang himayin. Eh para...
Mama?
Po, baka hindi makain agad ba. Masarap to siya guys, alam nyo saan? Mag-toast kayo or kahit sa bread lang. Tapos lagyan nyo po ng mayonnaise. Tapos ito, himayan nyo. Kasarap-sarap, promise.
I love you.
Oh, I love you so much, bebe.
Won't you make me happy?
I love you so much. Tingnan nyo, mag-ano na tayo, mag-planting na tayo ng strawberry. And that one, ay sus na lang talaga. Gamit niya ng slipper niya, guys. Galing Pinas. Habayanas pa yan. Let's plant. Let's look how Papa do the planting.
Then I can see more.
Like that? Oh, like that, Papa. You make a hole? Did you already say Happy Mother's Day to Mama?
Mother's Day.
Thank you. Yung mga weeds, oh. Yung inano kahapon ni Daniel, mawala na yan siya, guys, oh. Namatay na sila. Tapos tsaka siya bunutin kasi mahirap po siyang bunutin kapag fresh. Ang laurel, guys, wala na. Sa mga hindi nakapanood ng vlog kahapon, na-dispatch yan ang laurel. Diyan ba yung laurel dati, di ba? Yeah.
I need water for this.
Yeah.
In the bicycle.
Be, give it to me.
We are outside. Now the bicycle. This one. Oh my God.
Ngek. Then, your water.
Okay. I love you, Mama. Thank you.
When everything is planted, then you can water them. And then you put another one. This is a nice bonding for Mother's Day. Then when we will eat this, we will remember, oh, this tastes like Mother's Day.
One more.
One more, yes. We've
Yeah.
got 6 plants. Not yet, baby. Papa needs to do something first.
Broke it up.
What?
Broke it.
Broke it? Break it?
Break it up.
And then throw it? And then you push. Wow, 6 strawberry plants. Can you water it already, Mahal?
Yeah.
Water it, baby. Here, babe, smile here for the memory. In 3, 2, 1, smile here. Smile. Oh, last one, smile. Picture, my love. Can you be there, Mahal, for the memories? In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, go. Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Mama, happy memories.
Happy memories. This one too. This and this. They're also thirsty.
The plant.
Yeah, in the plant. Very good. And then the other ones?
You do it wrong.
I do it wrong. Wow.
You need to do like this.
Ka-cute talaga ng binigay ni Bianan, guys. As in. Yung pakat na yan. Bigay niya nga din sana yung isa. Yung isa naman, ano po, bird po yun, no?
Mama, water makes plants big.
Yes! You are very right. Mahal, I really want to go to Action because we need to buy container for the mango float. I want a big one.
Okay.
Diba, marami na siya, tapos kumain pa ako. You sure you finished? Wow! Kay sabi ko sa kanya. Yeah, not pag sure. Bigyan ko siya ng chocolate. Pag naubos niya ang milk niya. Dobby, show me. Bigyan ng uma niya, guys. Galing doon sa Belgium nung nagbakasyon kami.
Mom, happy Mother's Day. I got this one from Oma. Mika.
That's for me. Is
Mika.
that my surprise?
Happy Mother's Day, Mang.
Salamat, Jan.
Salamat, Tay.
Magpailong na ako, be.
Dali na.
Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mom.
I love you too more.
I'm
I miss you,
eating
that
chocolate.
We have a German neighborhood here, but the thing
I am eating chocolate.
You know, we were planning on coming this summer, but then Arnold, he said to me that he does not miss me, so we're not coming.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
From the first time in Macolis, I had crush on you.
No?
Happy Mother's Day.
Nagladlad na, nagladlad.
Bow no hair.
No hair.
Upaw, no hair daw. Can I say something to Upaw? Upaw, no hair.
Can I say something to Nathan? Nathan, bahog, lubog!
Mas masarap yung salido, guys. Okay lang. Mas marami kasi ang green nun. Ito kunti lang. You want to try? I'll share with you.
Did you say set up some Lido?
The one from the Lido is more yummy. This one
is more expensive.
this one is
from the real chocolate maker in Belgium.
yeah, this one is more sweet and then just a little pistachio.
Yeah.
Guys? Gabi katamis.
One chocolate.
You already had a big one. Pag sure, let's go.
Cook and a poop, Papa, and a talk and a talk.
Dali na. Punta po tayo ng Albert Heijn.
And a poop.
Mag-grocery.
And a
Oh, tingnan niyo, paubos na ang kanilang mga pabuke, guys. Bili ako ng niya din, ng mga prutas niya ba, kay may pasok na naman yan bukas. Tapos na po ang bakasyon. Tapos na ang maliligayang araw. I don't think they have sake here, mahal. Oh, you look so cute like that. Let's go to Papa.
Mama,
They don't have, right?
Mama,
Walang sake, guys.
Mama, what is this one?
That is takis. That is spicy.
Spicy or salty?
Spicy and salty.
I will buy for my birthday.
Yeah, do that. Oh, almost the birthday of my husband.
Eggs.
Apple pie daw, magawa siya sa birthday niya. Guys, that's cute. Oh yeah, we don't know how big it is.
But I don't know which one you like.
Big enough? This one, I think, this one is good.
You want this one?
Yeah.
Mama, it's okay. Pineapple.
That's not pineapple.
Look, that's pineapple.
This one we need. Ay,
Nah,
yeah.
nah.
For our mango float, a big... Ay, maliit man. Ito gusto ko yung malaki talaga.
Mama, look.
Oh, for the fruits. Ganun lang talaga siya kalaki. Tag 2 euros lang. Not bad na. Pero maliit siya. Bili ako nito ng 3. Nalagyan na din ng mga ulam, guys. This one I need, my love.
Please, Papa.
What, please?
The vacuum.
Wants a waffle maker.
No, I don't. Agoy, look at his eyes, mahal.
Waffle
Also
maker.
super bad for-
Mama,
sa guys.
waffle maker.
No, it's
Yeah,
fine. We can
yeah,
just
same.
make pancake. Tingnan nyo ang mata dahil sa grass
About
pollen.
because we pancake waffle.
Ah, you want...
waffle maker.
No, you need to make money. Save. How much is that? Let's see.
Mama,
Let's look.
see how this.
Yeah. Let's see how much.
How much?
Mm-hmm.
How much?
How much is that? Oh, ay, that's not good, baby love. You know why? That is not so good because I think, ano ba yung parang, ano nga, masyado pang madali, ano yan, uy, masira. Let's buy a good one that can make shapes also. Let's go. You're not allowed with a lot of sweets. I already...
Tomorrow.
And we have a lot of sprinkles at home. Do you know that?
Where?
I will show you later. Let's go.
I want this one.
Yeah, but we have like that at home. Put it back, please, and we
We
go.
don't have like that at home.
Yeah, Bill. Now, let's go. Go save first a lot so you can buy what you want.
What is this?
How much do you have at home? Let's count it later. Okay? When you buy something, needs to be very, very, very important and the one that you really, really want. Umuwi siya ng walang dala, oh. Wah! Uh-oh!
Oh.
That can happen. Everything is fine.
Ow, ow.
Just a little bit of hurting.
Why? Ow.
Na, narinig yung tatay. Papa is already sneezing a lot and you are itching your eyes because of the allergic, guys. Pag ganitong season talaga. In 3, 2, 1. Come here. Picture for Mother's Day. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
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 Do you remember when we were in a vacation with Oma, someone did draw you, right? And look guys, if this is really Nathan or Oma Victor, parang mas kamukha pa ng lula niya ba? Kalong-kalong kasi siya ni Bianan nung dinodrawing siya ng babae. Kung kamukha man ni Bianan, parang si Bianan ang tinitingnan niya nung nagdodrawing siya. Tingnan niyo, oh. No? Right? Naka-blue siya nun, pero tinanong siya ng ng babae kung anong kulay na gusto niya sa damit niya. What color did you choose for your clothes? Yeah, pink. Stop doing that, baby love. Wawa man, uy. Ang mag-ama ko. Grabe ang allergy sa grass pollen. Wow! Look at that, everybody. You think it's funny? That is Nathan. You look like Umabika, ha?
Missing a scar.
Yeah. Tinanong ng babae kung ipalagay ba daw namin ang niya, ang kanyang peklat. Sabi ko, wag na, hindi na kailangan.
Mama, what is this?
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Parang tinatamad na ako mag-upload. Uy. Mother's Day ba na ba? Bukas na lang. Nasa school na si Nathan. Bukas na lang. No? Bukas na lang. Para mas mag-ripe pa yung mangga. Bumili din po ako ng strawberry niya para sa school bukas. Magdalawang vlog siguro ako. No? Para hindi tayo maka-absent ba? Kay absinut masyado ako ngayong May. Bakit man yan, Inday Garnet? Kadaming absent, nagreklamo na ang ating mga subscribers. Sige ka lang absent, Inday. Absent ka na naman. Mag-part 2 po tayo. Nakakatawa man talaga itong pagka-drawing niya kay Nathan. Oy. So, dyan po natin siya ilagay. Maglaro daw kami ng board game ng pamilya ko, guys. Para sa Mother's Day. Alam niyo bakit ayaw ko din siya gawin ngayon? Kaya tinatamad ako maghugas. Oo, yun ang totoo. Tapos busy ang aking, busy ang aking dishwasher. Tapos mamayang gabi pa ito mahugasan sa dishwasher, guys. Pag napuno na siya.
I love you.
And
I was having a game for you.
and
We play board game in Mother's Day.
and happy
Halloween.
Halloween. It's not Halloween. It's Mother's Day, Papa. I love you so much, ha. Thank you for being my son. And thank you for being my son.
I love you. Happy Mother's Day.
You're giving me so much butterfly for Mother's Day. Thank you so much. And I love you so much. So guys,
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
and you tell them, Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Happy Mother's Day.
Abangan ang part 2.
Dad.